The second question for today's video is going to be the top 5 pairs that I'm trading this month. Today is Monday, March 9th when I'm filming this. I want to talk about the pairs that I'm trading this month, and I have been trading in February, and what I think I'm going to be trading in the future, because I know some of you are probably watching this after Monday, March 9th, right? So for me, right now, GBP pairs have been hot because of Brexit, but right now we're seeing such a big sell-off behind me. They're talking about it still in US equity markets that's creating a lot of volatility in euro pairs and US dollar pairs as well. You're seeing higher than average ADRs across the board. All the pairs are moving more than they have been in the last couple of months. But I think specifically where we should be focused in the next 6 to 12 months is GBP pairs, Euro pairs, USD pairs. Those are the top 3. Past that, JPY and CAD pairs are my favorite, if I have to. But majority of my time, majority of my money, go look at the trade recap videos. It's been Euro CAD. Now, there's good reason for it. With Owanda, I get better leverage with Euro CAD than I do with Euro NZD even. I get the 1 to 50 with Euro CAD. I only get the 1 to 33 with Euro NZD, and it's even lower on GBP NZD. It's 1 to 20. So knowing that, and knowing that Euro pairs have volume, I lean towards the Euro pairs as much as I can, because today I pulled 14.5% gain on Euro CAD because it's ripping. I mean, it's 600 something pips higher than its average daily range today behind this volatility. So which pairs am I focused on right now? Euro pairs, GBP pairs, and USD pairs. Now, this question tied into another one I want to briefly discuss, talking about scanning the market the night before. Now, I don't do that. I don't think it's necessary. I think that too much happens overnight in Forex to scan the market and try to make a plan the night before. You should come to the chart that morning, get here 15 minutes early, and do your plan that morning. There's no reason to try to do it that night. I just think you're killing time. You're going to need to do it again in the long run when you wake up anyway. So there's no point, in my opinion. Do markups, do something else, be more productive than that. The last part of this question that all kind of stems together is how many pairs am I trading? I will look at all of the majors and minors, all the USD pairs, all the GBPs, all the NZDs, all the AUDs, and all the Euros. But I'm not really trading AUD pairs. I'm not really trading NZD pairs. Again, it's GBP, it's Euro, it's USD. That's where I'm finding most traders are, which creates volume. There's volatility, which creates bigger moves. So it's a no-brainer. It's easy to get in and out, and the money's been very, very clean for me riding these trends. It's very, very simple. So as much as it's fun to look at USD TRY and USD MXN and all that stuff, it's just not for me. I'm focused on the bread and butter, the pairs that have low spreads, the pairs that a lot of people are trading, and the pairs that are moving for me well. It has to be a combination of all those things. You need the low spreads, you need the volume, you need the access to get in and out very easily, you need that liquidity. So it has to come together. And right now that is GBP, Euro, and USD.